Hello everyone. Today's recipe is for green pea pulao or MATAR pulao. Um, Very simple, very easy. I'm using a lot of things that we wouldn't usually use because I wanted to keep this recipe simple and easy and quick. So here I have just my ingredients. 3 cups of zeera rice soaked for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I have 2 cups of green peas, frozen green peas, and then I have about a quarter cup of fried onion and 3 green chilies and a tablespoon of cumin seeds, a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of coriander powder, a tablespoon of salt, and a tablespoon of garam masala. And then I have about little less than half a cup of canola oil. I could use more whole garam masalas, but because I wanted to keep it simple, I'm just going to go ahead and use the powder garam masala and along with the cumin seeds, and I think that should give you enough flavor. So here I'm just going to, in my half cup of canola oil, I'm just going to add the cumin seeds and let them sizzle for a bit. And once I see the oil is getting hot, at this point I have my temperature on high because I want this process to be done as soon as possible, and then later on I can go ahead and turn the heat to a low. But right now, once the cumin seeds start to sizzle, I'm just gonna add the green chilies, give it a quick fry. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the onion for literally like 4 seconds because they're already fried and the oil is really hot. I don't want them to get burned, so I'm just gonna give it a quick stir, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and add the green peas in there. And once I add the green peas, I'm just gonna go ahead and add all the spices in there. So there, I added the peas, and then because they're frozen, they're gonna take a while to just like defrost, but there I added all the spices, and the salt also should help in like and the heat of course is going to melt the green peas. And then there I'm just gonna add half a cup of water to mix the spices really well together, and then you know, just to bring out the flavor. And once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and add the remaining water, which is about 5 cups of water for my 3 cups of zeera rice. And then I'm going to give it a quick mix and wait for it to come to a boil. So as the water starts to boil, which would take about 5 minutes, there you see it's boiling on high heat right now. I'm going to go ahead and add the rice, which were soaked obviously. Excuse me. And then I'm just gonna give it a quick stir. I don't want to stir the rice too much because that can break the rice. So the idea is just to give it a quick stir and let it sit there uncovered and let it cook on medium low high to medium heat. Don't put the heat too low because that would just make the rice really mushy. And then there after the water is absorbed by the rice, you can see it's ready for the low heat. So I'm just gonna cover it. I'm gonna cover the pot and cook the rice for the next 10-15 minutes on my lowest like heat setting I have. I'll keep it fully covered, and there the rice is gonna cook its own steam on a very low heat, and it's perfectly done. So just cooking them in the water is not enough. You need to cover the rice and let it sit there for 10 to 15 minutes. And my rice is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and have it with a meat curry. It's a chicken korma and some salad. And hope you like my recipe. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.